Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a new Google advertising account. So as you can see here, I have an existing Google advertising account and I want to create a new one. So to do that, you just have to just sign into your Google account. Just go to google.com, then sign into your Google account. After you are done signing in, let me just refresh. Yeah, so when you're done signing in, you click on the dots that you see here. That's the apps. Then from there, you scroll down and then you see Google Ads. Okay, so I'm opening the Google Ads. Then you click on Start Now. So you will see new Google Ad account, and then you also see switch Google advertising account. But that is not even the account I want to create. So let me just switch back to the account that I want. Okay, so I'm now inside the account I want. So I'll just go to Google Ads, click on Start Now. So this is the existing account that is here. I want to create a new one. So you just click here and then you click on create new Google Ad account. So you click on the create new Google Ad account, then you go to create, and then it will say add your business information, create your ads and set your budget. So I'll click on what? Create your first campaign. So the account is automatically created. The business information is optional. You can still proceed to set an ad campaign without the business information. But in that case, when they ask you to verify, because there's a Google ad verification that if you are advertising, they will ask you to verify. In that case, they will ask you for a name. So if you have a name for your business, just put it. Then if you have a website, for now, put your website and then just click on continue. We are beginning the ad campaign setup process. Now, once you get to this, the Google advertising account has been automatically created for you by default. So you can proceed to run an ad campaign. But for now, we just want to, as you see, they're asking us to set our first ad campaign. So for now, if you have the website, you put your website and then your business phone number and then click on next, and then it will take you to start your first ad campaign. For now, I don't want to put those details, but if you have those details, you can put them and then run your ads. And I have done a detailed video on how to set up a Google ad campaign. I will leave that one in the description of this video. You can also leave your comments in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. If you have any problem and you want to contact me, follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link. See you in the next video. Bye.